Alright, I'm a little farther into the project of my teardown and didn't think to do a walkthrough. That was a donor vehicle. I needed the 4-liter for one of my Jeep projects. This is actually going to be my brother's. And so, we're going to keep it an automatic. Well, we're going to stuff an 05 Durango inside. Ooh. Good cleanup, play around, have some fun with it, fix some rust and some body damage. Sir Dukers is doing his inspection. She's just chilling. That's Miss Duchess. There's Sir Grizzly. Alright, Mr. Dukers, out of the way. Thank you. Oh, you want to check? Something in there you like? Yeah. Sir Dukers. He likes that one. So yes, that's donor. Back up. Thank you. But yes, we're gonna stuff that 5.7 in here, pull out that transmission. Wash everything eventually, one day. Maybe, possibly, probably never. Clean it, fix it as it breaks. Maybe, possibly. And then I have another project where we're going to take the entire roof line and chomp that down. You'll probably see this flash back into that video. But a lot of good parts. We have a sedan style vehicle that we're building, and that sunroof, moonroof, opening roof, it's gonna look good on it. But yeah, all of that right there. Does run, did run. I pulled the battery, forgot to do that. So, wow. This will be a good one for y'all to make fun of. Look like I got blown out the back. But, yeah, so, look what we got. Good disassembly. It's a good stopping point for the night. Ran into some rust, some spots. Gonna make some noise, and it's late. We're talking good late. Pick up tomorrow in between haircuts and see where we go with there. Thank you for kind of sticking around and watching what we got going on. We'll see ya. Good morning. Back at it again. We're going to be whacking that front frame section off of this body because I kind of like the horseshoe shape that it takes here on the front of the truck. And so we're going to whack it off and use it on a project later. This is also going to help us pull that whole engine and transmission out in one unit. So, yeah, I'm going to have at it. Probably be some time lapse on it. And a lot of that for the deconstruction of this one. Yes, on my tunage. Hello folks, how are we? As you can see, we've made it a little bit farther. I'm bad about the recording. Getting better at this. We'll get better, huh? Taking off doors, parts, because we're going to whack the roof off. Possibly tonight. Maybe. We'll see. It all depends on how the chaos unwinds. Because a lot of it's going away, so I can chop it up and use it for parts. Whittle at it. Because hopefully this weekend we'll get that out and dumped in the car or Jeep and go from there. But yeah, now you guys get to watch me run through a handful of things to see where this leads. But my back looks great. You guys see a lot of that. But yeah, here we go.
Finance is going to be a car like this, and to me, it's a historical car.
Howdy fans! No, I don't know. Whoa! Coming through and seeing the progress. We've gotten all the seats out, and the cool part is discovering quite a bit about some of the parts. We're gonna kind of refer to this vehicle as the supplier throughout some of our future videos. I can unbolt the electric motor assembly from the bottom as far as the whole frame unit goes, so that way I can make it affixed, or I can put on different slides. And then the way that mounts, and kind of nifty. Same with this one. This one's going to get used in our car as it's looking. But yes, got quite a bit knocked out. Got the front end chopped off. It's open and exposed. Got a fair amount done. I need to unbolt the air conditioner so I can set it off to the side to get it discharged. And same with the power steering, set it off to the side. Wiring is coming off quite nicely. Eventually the windshield's gonna come out. I did not get the top cut off like I wanted to, but hey, we're getting there. It's coming down pretty quickly. A lot of the floor pan's gonna get used, I think, for mounting purposes. So, day 2, finishing up, another late night. You get started and you get tearing up into it and it gets out of hand. Here's what we are looking at now. All doors are gone, vacated off. I can't tell you how excited I am to cut off this roof line and put it over on the car build that we have. I'm gonna cut off a good amount down lower in the pillar sections. I need to take out the windshield, the 2 passenger windows, get those taken care of. Then I'm turned out pretty well. It's empty. The doors and stuff are outside, but that's a pile of stuff we got going that we won't use, except for the seats in there. I started piling up plastic and forgot I wanted to keep the seat. So yeah, but there we go. Cut the roof off tomorrow. Pull out the dash, and I accidentally discharged my air conditioner because, well, yay. I wasn't paying attention and pulled out the heater box in the back and forgot the air conditioner was attached to it. Punctured the line, so now I gotta take that all out and set it off to the side. It was a little bit of a mess, but it's done. So, excited. But, figured wrapping it up, get started again on the next one. I will catch you folks on the flip side.